What's up guys, it's Tipcrack here, back with another Animal Jam video, and today I'm going to be unboxing things that Animal Jam has sent me and the other Jam ambassadors. I'm super excited because I've never in my life have done an unboxing video, so I'm excited. The first thing we're going to read is this amazing Animal Jam letter that Animal Jam sent, of course, to me and the other Jam ambassadors. So let's read this together. Greeting Jam ambassadors. Today we've got something really exciting for you. Our first Animal Jam magazine. It's packed with full of cool Animal Jam facts, fun games and puzzles, cool swag, and an ultra rare accessory code. Also, I'm on FaceTime with Evan. Cheerios, did you hear that?
I did, an exclusive code?
Say what, sister? Yeah. A code, guys. Rares. You guys know what that means. It's rares, right? There may be even some more Jam ambassador cameos inside. So check it out. So I'm gonna definitely be checking that out right now. But if jammers like it, then it won't be the last. It's currently in the newsstands in the UK until April 25th, and it will be available to all US jammers in the beginning of May. So currently, right now, only the Jam ambassadors and the UK people can get it. But it will be available to everyone in the United States on April 25th, so make sure to go cop one, guys. There will be a link to get it online. So this is what the magazine comes in. It's basically a package, which is great because I don't see magazines like this. Like normally magazines just come in a book, you know, just like the magazine. I think every issue of the magazine comes with a bunch of things. So like this comes with the magazine, a keychain, some stickers, some pencils, and an exclusive game code. So whew, I'm so excited to enter that game code. You have no idea. So let's open this thing right now. It snapped. Cheerios, did you hear that? Oh yeah, we got some Animal Jam goodies. Alright, now I just kind of made a mess. I don't know why I did that. Alright, so the first thing we have is this cool key. It's a key ring. Keychain, basically. Definitely gonna put these on my car keys. Watch out. We have an exclusive Animal Jam code. Oh, I'm just gonna be like I'm gonna be like the beauty people. We have exclusive Animal Jam code. Animal Jam pencils, which is called the Alphas, and some very cute Animal Jam stickers, which I will definitely be placing on other things on maybe my computer or my notebooks when I go to school. And the best part, of course, the magazine. So let's get right into it. The price is $4.99, which is not bad. Ooh, and they have exclusive giveaways. And it says you can win some things, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's get right into it. Cheerios, imagine if there was like a Jammer Shade page, like tea on Animal Jam. Wouldn't that be awesome?
That would be pretty.
That's pretty good. So the first page is an Animal Jam game, so I'm definitely gonna play that later. The first thing is the table of contents. So we're just gonna kind of go through this magazine. I'm only gonna give you a sneak peek because you guys gotta buy it to see the rest of it. There's some animal facts in here. You can learn how to draw the animals. Ooh, there's a huge maze that you can do by yourself. I'm gonna do that. Ooh, and you can even enter to win exclusive prizes from HHQ. All you have to do is just enter your name, your address, and all that good stuff, so Animal Jam will be able to ship it if you do win, which is awesome. So I think it's quite cool that there's like some little sweepstakes in here. And this is so cool. They even have Jam ambassadors on here. I'm not on it, but it's alright, guys. Maybe next time. But as you can see, there's Pepper, Apari, and Wisteria Moon on here. I think it's so cool. They literally have their own page. Look. You see? You can see Wisteria Moon, Apari. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think that's so cool. Let's read this. I'm kind of interested in reading this. So the first one is Pepper. Her name's Pepper, 2,200,000 subscribers. Pepper is a great vlogger who posts about everything Animal Jam, including trading, dens, meal times, and cute storytime videos. She is the third most subscribed to Animal Jam YouTuber in the world. In the world, guys. Next, we have, of course, Apari, and he has over 330,000 subscribers. Apari has heaps of fun videos, including news, playthrough videos, funny clips, tutorials, and even his mom playing Animal Jam, Mom Pari. Apari is so successful that he's the most subscribed Animal Jam YouTuber in the world. Next, we have Wisteria Moon, of course. She's also the most subscribed female Animal Jam YouTuber, I believe. Wisteria Moon is an awesome YouTuber who makes fun unboxing videos, music videos, and cool tutorials how to play, as well as tips for being a YouTuber, which is so cool. And then we have Animal Jam's official channel over here. The official Animal Jam YouTube account is the coolest place for jammers to check out videos of updates, events, and Animal Jam, as well as cool Animal Jam facts and craft videos with top YouTubers like Dr. Brady and Cammy. And of course, we got my girl Cammy right here on the cover. So congrats to all the YouTubers who made it in the magazine. I think it's pretty cool. You're in a magazine, guys. You were legit in a magazine. That's pretty dope. Like, goals. They even have a Play Wild section, which is awesome because Animal Jam and Play Wild They're basically the same thing, sort of, but everyone says Animal Jam never includes Play Wild, but like, Play Wild's the best. Of course they're gonna include it. So any Play Wild YouTubers or other Play Wild jammers, this magazine is definitely for you as well because it has Play Wild tips and other cool things for Play Wild. So thank you so much to Animal Jam for sending me out this amazing magazine. This is the first issue of the Animal Jam magazine and I'm so happy. Like, this is amazing! So if you guys do want to copy this magazine, you guys can. Unfortunately, it's only available to the Jam Ambassadors and the UK Jammers right now, but it will be available on April 25th, so make sure to copy your first issue. There will be a link in the description, so you guys should definitely go check that out. And we do have Call of the Alphas, of course, so I will be reading this soon. Thank you so much, Animal Jam, for sending me these amazing gifts. I love them so much. Animal Jam is so nice. They always send us gifts and makes me cry sometimes. So make sure to go get your magazine. And if you guys want more unboxing videos, let me know. Or if you guys just want more face cam videos in general, I don't know. They're really cool. I get a little nervous, though, talking to a camera. It's weird, but anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at TipRockyAJ, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.